what could be an open door? So you put all the obvious ones first, like, okay, I played with the Ouija board at a slumber party. I did.
Want to stop the clock? Never had that happen before.
Wow, there you go.
Oh, wow. Dude, turned down my hearing aids. That's just pure fire alarm. Wonder what happened.
Strange. Right when I said Ouija board.
Yep. I would blame it on that. We didn't pray before, but we did.
We did.
So. You remember where you were?
Yep.
It might not stop until the fire department gets here to shut it
I
off.
was just thinking that.
Apparently, Sandra blew out a candle, and the smoke alarm went off.
Okay.
Well, at least you know it works.
It certainly works.